Hey guys, I'm back at it again. As you guys can see in the title, yep, it's raining. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's rain. It's pouring now. So anyway, in today's video I will be doing a part 2 of my Balikbayan box, and I'm sweating actually because I literally just took everything out of my trunk, and I also put the box that I just picked up earlier today. And yeah, it's a whole lot a mess right here in my room. Oh my god, I don't even know where to start. But anyway, I just literally want this video to be done, and I'm gonna send this package after, well, next week. So I'm finally free, and I'm just really excited to send this package so my family, well, especially my sister, can, you know, like enjoy the Balikbayan box. I'm doing this because this is just like it makes me happy, you know, like giving, especially to my family. And if I have something to give, why not, you know what I'm saying? And I'm blessed enough that I will be able to share all of these goodies to my sister, my boyfriend's sister, my nephew that is on the way, because my sister is pregnant. So anyway, without further ado, let's get started with this video. Okay, so don't mind this hotness of mine. I'm just kidding. Anyway, I actually don't know where to start, but I'm just gonna start picking stuff, so we'll be done. TJ Maxx, of course. I actually went there Wednesday night because of these. This is a diaper bag for my sister, and I got it for $19.99, and she's really excited about it. So I'm just gonna take a tag, put it over there, trash. So this is a diaper bag, and yeah, it has a lot of compartments on it, so they can, well, she can put like diapers, some baby bottle, some other stuff. So this is it. It's just like black. I couldn't find the blue ones because they don't have the one in the picture. I don't know if you guys can see, but they don't have it over there. But black is okay because she's having a boy, so that's good one. And then black fits, I mean, you know, with everything. So that is that. Next one is towels, white towels, because I need this one to put it in like the first layer of the box, so it doesn't like how do you call that, it doesn't so but the stuff that I'm putting will not go everywhere, and just to kind of like protect the goodies. So I got 2 towels as well, and there's blue and gray. Next, in this plastic bag, oh, I finally got my my brother a shoes, and this is the Adidas, and it's just black right there, shoes, because he badly needs some shoes. Am I recording? I don't have my glasses, so I can't see. So okay, I'm recording. So that's that, and he's in a size 6. That's that as well. And then let's put it over there. And I got this actually earlier at BJ's when me and Clarice went to BJ's. I got the Old Bay seasoning, and also I got the Montreal chicken seasoning. I want them to actually because I don't know if they sell Old Bay in the Philippines or in the regular store. I don't know, I have to ask her. But this is, Old Bay is really famous here in America, you guys. It's like very good. Like you can use it for your crabs, shrimp, and chicken, and it says there actually. So that's that. And then this seasoning as well, it's really good on chicken. So that's that. There's just 2. All right, moving on. I got my brother a Old Spice Pure Sport deodorant. This guy right here, if your man use this, girl, he's the one. This one smells so good. This smells so good. So this is from my brother. And then I got 2 of the bar soap. 2 of the bar soap. I will be giving this to my cousins as well. So there's 2 bar soap, and this is the Cares. This is the Daily Silk bar soap. Smells good. It's coffee. I got the Nescafe, just a regular house blend coffee, and also I wanted to try this French vanilla from Folgers. I don't know how to say Folger. This brand. And Oreo. I actually wanted to try this cereal because I don't know, but they don't, I don't know. But I actually don't think they sell this in a regular grocery store in my country. So I got them this, and they wanted to try the Lucky Charms and the Oreo, so why not? Of course, this is just a regular classic Spam. There you go. And then Swiss Miss. This is just the hot cocoa mix with marshmallow right there. Next one is another bar soap, and it's the brand Liver. It smells so good, you guys. Right there, I got this at BJ's. All right, next one is Colgate, another Colgate right there. And this one is a Vaseline lotion, I believe. Yeah, lotion. Oh, I got this one so my sister Mika, Sydney, and Trisha can try. This is a St. Ives acne control scrub right there. And then also black tea for my sister Sydney because she likes tea. I don't know why. Gross. One is Listerine and Tresemme. This is the shampoo and conditioner right there. Tresemme. And this one is Slides from Adidas. I'm actually gonna give this to Kuya Marty. Kuya Marty is Ate Sydney's boyfriend. And this is for Kuya Marty right there. It's just like a slide from Adidas. So that's that. So next one is from Bath and Body Works. I have here 1 sweet pea and also French lavender honey mist. And I also went to Marshall's and got my sister this aloe vera soothing gel mist right there. And then I'm gonna give this to my sister Trisha. This is the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin foundation right there. And then from another vitamins, yeah. So they actually received the package that I didn't film when it was like 3 weeks ago. Wait, I believe it's 2 weeks. So I got them the small size of this one, and my sister told me that my sister Mika actually loves to take this kind of like for hair, skin, and nails. So I got them the bigger bottle. Ta-da! This is the Nature Made Adult Gummies. This will help support healthy hair, skin, and nails. So that's that. I actually got another multivites from Vitafusion right there. And then another one for men, so my brother can actually he's really skinny, you guys. He's tall and but skinny. Yeah, so he needs meat in his body. So I'm gonna send it to them so he can start drinking vitamins. And another fish oil. They said this is really good for heart. So that's that. Okay, next one is this bag. Yeah, so my sister likes this and she want me to give this to her. So anyway, I'm just gonna ending up giving this to her. But this is just like a bag, just like a simple bag. This is for my sister Sydney. Okay, why are you not closing? Yeah, just this bag. I got this at boohoo.com right there. And it has like a sling actually. You can put it like as a sling. So that's that. Okay, next one is baby clothes. I'll get my tripod here and my... So, okay, why is my bread here? This is fine. Oh, I actually already showed this to the previous vlog, but I'm just gonna actually show it to you one more time. But this is just baby clothes. I'm not gonna show everything, but it's just baby clothes for my nephew right there. Yeah, go ahead and check my vlog and you will see all of this jazz. So that's that, baby clothes. Next one is, I literally just put them in this bag, you guys, so I know which is which. So I got my brother this shirt. This is a polo shirt from Calvin Klein right there, and another long sleeve shirt, and then this one as well there. I like sleeveless. And then I got him a pants from Reebok. There's like a sweatpants right there. It's like one white stripe over there, and it's like black. It's really good quality. And then I think I'll show this to you earlier, but yeah. Oh, Calvin Klein shirt. And then yeah, I think that's it, because some of this I already shown it to you guys. So that's that for my brother Genesis. Okay, next one is for my sister Sydney. So I got her shoe. This is the Tawney shoe. Yeah, right there. Just like a white sneakers. It's that. And then I put them in this big H&M bag. And then Centrum vitamins. And then I also got her a collagen plus matcha drink mix that I got from Marshall. And then also got her some Calvin Klein underwear there. So basic ones. And oh, this is for Kuya Marty as well, her boyfriend. Just a shirt right there. Yeah, I think that's it for Sydney. Okay, next one is for my sister Mika. So, oh my god, you guys, this bag is I don't know if you know Carl. I can't even, don't brag me about pronouncing this name, but okay, here. Yeah, that guy. He passed away. He's, I think, the creator of Chanel. I think I'm gonna insert a picture here. Yeah, that's him right there. So yeah, I found this at TJ Maxx, and when I saw the price, I was shook. Okay, because look, it's $118, and I'm not gonna buy this bag for $118, even though it's kind of like a famous brand, but I'm not gonna buy it. Real talk. But I actually got this for $16. I think, yeah, $16 for this sling bag. And my sister, she said she want a sling bag, so I got her the sling bag. She wanted it, I got it. Okay, so this is just a sling bag, and it's really cute, you know. I actually gave her my Canon G11, you guys, my old camera that I was using when I was starting vlogging. I actually sent that like last year September, and she's actually using it right now. I think my sister just told me that she's gonna buy a SD card so she can start vlogging, and I'm really excited about it. So that's that. And then this is just like a pink sling bag right there for her. Okay, next one is this shirt right there. she's kind of like my size now. Yeah, she's kind of like my size. So for example, my shirts fits her. Yeah. I think that is it, because I already filmed like the half of the Balikbayan box, well, the other one. So make sure go ahead and check that out later. Not yet, but later. Okay, this is for my friend Mariela. This was on sale actually, guys. I ordered the wrong, I thought I ordered the right size, but I ordered the wrong size. And I think it's because my feet is bigger, and I think this one will fit her, so I'm just gonna give this to her. So yeah, I'll just put her name over there, from Boohoo. And then this bag, I literally just used this bag once when I went to the Philippines. This was like my go-to bag over there because it's big and I can fit everything. But this kind of like my airport bag at the time, because I was traveling, put my camera, my tripod, my passport, my wallet, everything was in this bag, and I actually like it, but it's just really stiff. And I don't know, it's nice, but like, I don't know, it's not really me. So this is from, no, I lied, this is not from Forever 21, this is from H&M. So my husband actually got this from me, yeah, last year, but I'm just gonna give this to my sister because it's just been sitting in my closet. So actually you can actually extend this because it has like zippers on it, and I told my sister that I'm gonna give this to her, and she's really happy about it. So that's that, just like a big black bag. And then another bag that I will be giving is this one right here, this bad boy right here. I will give this to my sister Trisha. And yeah, I don't know, I actually used this as well when I was in vacation last year in the Philippines. This is like my go-to bag as well over there, but I don't grab it as often anymore, so I'm just gonna get rid of it and just, you know, instead of just sitting, I'll let my bag sit, you know, well, just might as well just donate it or like give it to my sister so they can actually use it. So that's that, like the bag. This one is for my nephew Raven. I got him a shorts from Nike again, and then I also got him this polo shirt right there, and then I also got him this Levi's. This is like a jogger right there, jogger, and it's blue. And then I also got him this, it's kind of like, how do you call this, reversible. So if you're not feeling neon, you can actually feel blue. So corny, but like that, it's just actually reversible. But that's just that, and it's from Nike. Next one is this shirt right there, it's just a regular gray shirt. It has like New York in there, like the print. Next one is another shirt there, and let me see, shirt again from Dickie NY there. And then, oh, I got this at Ross for $3.99. It's just like a regular shirt, and it has like Justice League, so it's gonna love that. And then another Puma shirt, Nike ones right there. So that's that. Also, I got this Jordan, what is this, Jordan 1 for my nephew, baby nephew. And I already showed this in the vlog, but I'm gonna show it again. It's just like a little cute Jordan shoes. Oh my god, very cute. So that's that from my nephew. Next one is this oatmeal. Why? Because my sister told me she wants the oatmeal, and she said our oatmeal is not, it's different than their oatmeal there. I don't know why she said that, but okay, I got her oatmeal. All right, last but not the least, I will be also giving some of my makeup so I can buy another makeup. I'm just kidding. So I will be giving her the Lift Off Wonder Beauty mask. This is for my sister Sydney. And I also give the Kylie palette for my sister Mika. There's like a blush and from Wet n Wild. So that's that. I put it in like in this bag. I got this from Shop Miss A. So that's that. And there's another example of like the bag, like a doggy bag. I got this for like $1. This like bag for $1. So next one is I'm gonna give her some of my Kylie lipstick. I'm gonna give her 2 Kylie lipstick, which is in the shade Bougie and Candy K. So I will be also giving this to her, the Bare Minerals Gen Nude in the shade Hype. It's a lip gloss, and also this LA Lady shade from Colourpop. So 1 liquid lipstick, 2 lip gloss, and 1 lipstick. And then I'm also gonna give this to my Ate Marikar. If you're watching, hello. I'm gonna give this to you. This is a palette slash eyeshadow palette slash contouring highlight palette. So that's that from BH Cosmetics. There, I'm gonna also be giving this to my sister Sydney. This is the Naughty palette from Kylie Jenner. And to be honest with you, I didn't really use this palette that much, but that's that. So I'm gonna give this to her so they know how to learn. So they know how to put makeup on, okay? And then lastly is this Morphe blush palette. I kind of like this palette, but it was this 3 shade right here. The shade Unapologetic, MUA, and Provocative. That's the only shade that I love, but I'm not reaching out to this palette to use for a blush because I have a new favorite. So I've been trying to like rejecting this palette, blush palette. So I'm just gonna give this to my sister Sydney. So that's that from Morphe. Anyway, you guys, that is it for all this jazz. Anyway, I'm gonna put all of this stuff, the Balikbayan goodies, on the box. I have to arrange it. So yeah, make sure to follow me on Instagram, which is Tawney. I'm gonna put it right here. Yeah, make sure to follow me there. I'm more active on Instagram or any of my social media, and also follow me on Twitter, which is Tawney_Glenn. So yeah, and also like this video if you like it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, because since you're already here, stop searching me on the YouTube search and just subscribe and click the bell button. Like, what's, you know, like, might as well just subscribe to me. If you don't like it, don't like it, but I know you're gonna come back. So just subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon. Oh, by the way, don't forget to watch the part 1 Balikbayan box if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.